Welcome back. Thank you for viewing my channel. I know it's been a while. I'm working hard to make videos for you all. I'm just making sure that whatever I do as a video is going to be something that you want to see. So I want to provide valuable information. I know I promised how-tos and those are coming. I even put notes down because I didn't want to babble. I wanted to really use my time as wise as possible. If there's any products that you're interested in knowing that I recommend, my social media information is going to be down below, as well as my email address. You can contact me in those ways to find out what specific products that I'm going to be speaking of, but I'm not going to be mentioning. So again, this video is conditioners and the importance of conditioners. I think it needs to be said because a lot of times, well, my experiences, and again, everything that I'm going to be sharing is based on my experience and it's going to be based on the knowledge that I've gained. So I know clients like to watch us hairstylists do their hair in the mirror. They stare, they're wondering, they're asking questions, but a lot of times they don't ask questions, but you can just tell they're thinking about asking questions. And so we just go about doing our business and, you know, trying to make you all look as beautiful as possible, using the best products as possible. And I figure, you know what, let me take this time to address certain questions that some clients may have. Maybe some stylists may have that they don't know. Some stylists fresh out of beauty school. So the importance of conditioners, right? Okay, so the first thing is the basics of conditioners. Most people believe that it's just to coat the hair, right? Like, it does make it easier when you put this gooey, creamy stuff on your hair and you feel that it does feel soft. It does kind of make you feel more comfortable and confident in dealing with your hair because the comb can get through it. And I mean, let's be honest, it makes the process of taking care of your hair more comfortable and it makes it really go faster. But the question you have to ask yourself is, am I putting something in my hair that's benefiting my hair, that's benefiting my skin? A lot of these conditioners basically are like lotion. It's just put on your hair to just do that, make it soft, make it easier for a comb to go through, but it has no benefits for the hair. So what to look for in a conditioner? There's ingredients to look for, like hydrolyzed protein, a little bit of keratin. The hair has keratin in and of itself, so you really don't have to have a conditioner with that in there, but some conditioners may have hydrolyzed keratin or some variant form of keratin. Natural oils are always good to put in the hair, like grapeseed oil, avocado oil. Then, you know, of course, people have their allergens, so natural oils can be kind of tricky. Hydration and moisture. So if a conditioner can provide those two things, you're on the step towards success and healthy hair. Okay, so we have hydration and moisture. We want to make sure our hair is getting those two things. Also, we want to make sure that it's strong, right? So we want to make sure that our hair, the protein is how it should be. Sometimes our hair doesn't hold a curl, or it's hard for us to style our hair because our hair is lacking in protein, which is the strength of the hair. But the balance with the protein are the agents that provide moisture, moisturization, if you will. So in looking at my notes, you have to also know that when you buy conditioner, do not just put the conditioner on and then just rinse it right off. It's really money getting rinsed down the drain. You've softened your hair, but that's about it. That's about it. And if that's all you're going for, then that's fine. If you just want to make your hair soft and you're not trying to rebuild your hair back up or really make your hair healthy, then that's fine. But for those who are looking to, you know, build up healthy hair because their hair is dry and brittle, or needs more elasticity, then listen to these ideas. So an idea of getting like a steamer is really good because you can use a conditioner and sit under a steamer, and what that does is it opens the hair cuticle and allows the agents in the conditioner to really penetrate into the hair shaft, which is what you want. You want the cuticle to be lifted so that all the positive things in the conditioner can go into the hair and do what it's supposed to do. The other way to get like moisture is you can sit under a dryer, or to moisturize your hair you can sit under a dryer or a steamer as well, to lift the cuticle to allow the ingredients to go into the hair. Now there's 3 ways a cuticle can become lifted, and that is with heat, a chemical, time. Those 3 things. A conditioner, in order for it to work, for you to get the benefit, it needs to sit at least 10 minutes. So 10 minutes. Since we're only talking about conditioners, I'm not gonna touch on the chemical side of things. However, with conditioners, the cuticle is gonna lift in 10 minutes. And that's either with, if you don't have any heating source or a steamer source, then 10 minutes just with a plastic cap is fine. Or if you do have a heated source or you're using a steamer, sitting under for at least 10 minutes is necessary for the conditioner to work. So now let's get into things also that a conditioner should have in it that you should look for. Ceramides, lipids, which ceramides are in lipids, or these are fatty acids that the hair and the skin need to help to restore and stay moisturized and to stay hydrated. Conditioners that have those agents are really important, and you will definitely get the benefit of stronger hair and softer hair and hair that is, you build the elasticity in the hair. And of course you have your protein conditioners, which I spoke on that in another video. But when I condition my clients, and I condition all my clients, particularly the clients who have more coarser hair, they may need more time because the hair is drier, and I like to sit them under the dryer for a good 15 to 30 minutes. So let's go into lipids and what lipids are. This delicate barrier is This delicate barrier is comprised of essential fatty acids, ceramides, triglycerides, cholesterol, and water. Essential fatty acids comprise a greater proportion of the lipid layer and contribute to hair's elasticity and aid ceramides in keeping the cuticle scales attached to the hair shaft. Specifically, one of the most confusing topics is the difference between hydration and moisture. And I wanted to look this up because there is some kind of confusion and some don't know what the difference is. And so I wanted to touch on that. Dehydrated skin lacks water and therefore needs to be hydrated, which is why I said a steamer is really good if your hair is dehydrated, because it provides the water that's needed to hydrate the hair. Dry skin lacks oil and needs to be moisturized. Sometimes your hair is also dry, and so that's where the moisturizer comes in. It is important to distinguish between these 2 skin conditions because they can often be treated incorrectly. And in terms of hair, you could end up using the wrong conditioner for what actually needs to be done. So you want to make sure you know whether the hair is dehydrated or whether the hair lacks moisture. And based on those 2 things, that should lead you in the direction of which conditioner to use. So again, my social media information is below. My email address is below. If you have any questions about products, shampoos, conditioners, hairsprays, what have you, that I would recommend or that you're curious about, please reach out. I'm more than happy to give whatever information I have based on my experience. And subscribe and like and comment. And thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Oh, and I'm striving to get a video up for you guys at least once a week. I'm striving. I know you all may be wondering what's going on, and if you want to find out, stay tuned for the exciting announcement. I'll mention it very soon. There's a lot going on in my world, so just know that I'm thinking of you all, and thanks for watching again. See you next time.